Hey everybody, it's me, Spitty, and today I'm gonna play Connie, and to be honest, I don't know, I don't really care. I just want to make it out alive.
A few moments later.
Bruh.
Oh my god, really? That's why I want to play Connie! So, since I died too fast in last game, I am so done with Connie. I'm playing Julie! Because you know what? My Julie is the bomb. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, please don't die. I feel like I'm gonna die. I don't know why. Ah! Oh, really? Wow.
Why are you running? Why are you running?